Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a common job, removing the transfer case from a 4L60E transmission. This is a crucial step if you're replacing either the transmission or the transfer case itself. Let's get started. First, safety first. Disconnect your battery's negative terminal. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Now, let's prepare the vehicle. Securely jack up your vehicle and use jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Drain the transfer case fluid. Locate the drain plug on the transfer case. Place a drain pan underneath and remove the plug. Allow the fluid to drain completely. Next, disconnect the drive shafts. You'll need to remove both the front and rear drive shafts. Usually, these are held on with U-bolts or straps. Mark the drive shaft and the transfer case flange before removing them. This helps you reinstall them in the same orientation. This minimizes vibrations later. Loosen and remove the U-bolts or straps. Carefully slide the drive shafts out of the transfer case. Sometimes, they can be stubborn. A little penetrating oil can help. Now, disconnect any electrical connectors. Look for any wiring harnesses connected to the transfer case. Disconnect them carefully. There's usually a connector for the transfer case motor. Also, check for any vent hoses. Disconnect them as well. Support the transfer case. The transfer case is heavy. Use a transmission jack or a floor jack with a piece of wood. Position the jack under the transfer case to support its weight. Remove the transfer case mounting bolts. These bolts attach the transfer case to the transmission. Locate all the bolts. Usually, there are 4 to 6 bolts. Use a wrench or socket to remove them. Be careful. The transfer case will be loose once the bolts are removed. Carefully lower the transfer case. Slowly lower the jack. Make sure the transfer case clears any obstructions. Once it's lowered, you can carefully remove it from under the vehicle. Inspect the transmission output shaft seal. Now that the transfer case is removed, inspect the seal on the transmission. If it's damaged or leaking, replace it. This prevents future leaks. Reinstallation is the reverse of removal. Remember to use new gaskets or seals where necessary. Properly torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. This ensures a secure and leak-free installation. Refill the transfer case with the correct type and amount of fluid. Check for leaks after reinstallation. Run the vehicle and check for any leaks around the transfer case. If you see any leaks, tighten the bolts or replace the seals. That's it. You've successfully removed the transfer case from a 4L60E transmission. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Good luck with your repair.